Today, let's go over a grind 75 medium question that is called rotate array. This is a relatively early question, and I solved it 4 months ago. So I think it's a good question to solve, except the edge cases are a little tricky, but let's go over it. So you're given an array, a list of integers, and you want to rotate the array to the right by 3 places, aka k places, and then just return the array. Pretty simple, right? Except the problem is that k here is actually from the rear. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3 is not correct. It's 1, 2, 3 back. Those 1, 2 back. So let's start from the end instead of from the beginning. And this is, I think, what tripped me up when I last solved it. And I'm just noticing that now as I'm looking at the diagram, because this is not correct. If you did 1, 2, 3, you'd be starting at 4 instead of 5. So cool. So let's get the first part, which is going to be nums of negative k to the end. And then second part, right? So this is just going to be 5, 6, 7 because we have negative 3 to the end, right? The indexes actually are like are normal numbers and not -1 if you go backwards, but they are -1 when you go forwards. And the other part is just up to k plus 1, right? Because k is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 inclusive. 0, 1, 2 inclusive or not inclusive. So 0, 1, 2, 3. And k is now 4. So up to 4 would be 0, 1, 2, 3. Up to 2 would be 0, 1, right? So then now we can just return the result, which is just going to be first part plus second part. And let's return the result and see. Okay, that's not correct. Let's print first part. Let's print second part. Okay, so first part plus second part. Okay. So I'm not sure why this is not reading correctly, because I added the first part and the second part. Maybe you just do first part dot extend, second part, print first part. Okay, cool. Now then maybe we can return first part. That is odd. Huh, that's weird. It's the first time I've seen that. Let's print first part. That's very odd. Plus second part, print H. Okay, and then just return H, right? What? Why are we not? Oh, this is something strange going on. Oh. Assign the list to whatever you have. Second part. Let's just do this. Second half for A in second part. If A not in first part, then second half dot append A, and then let's do second half instead. Let's print second half so it's more clear. So it's not a duplicate, hopefully. $23 test cases. Okay, that's weird. Okay. So if k modulo length of nums is not equal to 0, then equals to h reversed. No. Print H. H is 1, 2. Okay. So if k modulo length of nums is not equal to 0, nums, reassign it to reversed H. That's weird. Why is reversed H still giving the same thing? Else okay. Equal to 1 maybe? I have a feeling this is going to time out. Huh. That's weird because right now it's okay. 2 is not equal to 0. And length of nums modulo 2 is equal to 0. Just going by the test cases now. Oh. Oh, okay. This is really tricky. K steps. Okay. Oh, I see. If k is bigger than length of nums, k equals to k modulo length of nums. Because we have to start over from the other end, right? So 3 is starting over as 0. Hopefully. Okay. First part, print second half. Use this test case. K is 1. So, okay, so let's do it for A and nums, right? If A is not in first part, then second half dot append A. Because if you just observe the test cases, oh, okay, 2 more. Let's see. So, so maybe second half is supposed to be up to K. Okay, let's print length of nums. This one's quite a challenge. Length of nums is 20,000. So I guess if k modulo length of nums is not equal to 0, even odds, no. Super close here. Okay. So let's print nums -1. Just trying to debug here. 1 is supposed to be print h -1. Why is this? Maybe there's not a second half here. Yeah, there's not a second half. Okay. See what we're getting? That's really weird. Or k is bigger than length of nums. Huh, that's weird. First part -1 is 2, and then print what we're expecting. I guess we can't do that because this is oh, you know what? I thought of something. So while k is bigger than 0, nums.rotate k minus equal to 1, return nums. That's it. Or not even return anything, right? Nope. That is odd. Deck of nums. Maybe nums.copy. Okay, k is bigger than 0, h.rotate, k minus equal to 1 equals to h. Oh, wow, cool. Okay, yep, just use the rotate function then. Don't even worry about all that. So there you go. That's number 189, rotate array. Hopefully this made things a lot easier. And yeah, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.